Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to another snack crate. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's from. Man, been waiting for this for weeks. Days or something, I don't know, weeks maybe. You got my girl here finally. We're from Spain this time. Yeah, let's do it. Holy shit. What do we got here? Trufa Negra Black Truffle. Extra crunch or something. Some kind of chips or something. Let's see what it is. Weird smelling chip. It's a potato chip. Let's see here.
Oh,
It's actually pretty good. I don't know what the hell flavor it is, but very good. What do we got here? Fried egg flavored chip. No way. Hell yeah. Let's try it.
I like it.
You don't like that one? It's pretty good. I like that one. Fried egg chip. Weird smelling. Oh yeah. Yeah. You can taste the egg white.
Oh, I can smell it.
That's good. You don't like fried eggs? Oh,
I only like scrambled.
okay. We got Cheetos something. Some kind of Cheetos. You have Cheetos in Spain? Weird smelling ones. They're little soccer ball fuckers. Yum.
They're not spicy.
No. You got, Saber ketchup or something. We'll try one. I'll try one of these, I guess. Doesn't even smell like ketchup. Let's see. Slight ketchup flavor. I think those ones I'd actually probably eat. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Cheeky Shin, something. I don't know. Let's see. Little shells. I don't know what the hell flavor it is, but it's good.
I'm okay.
Bland. That's for later. What the hell is this? What the fuck did they give me here? What did they give us here? Huh? These are... Yeah, a bunch of stuff in here. What do we got here? Filipinos. Whoa, it's a chocolate donut. Cool. They're not chocolate donuts. They're cookies. No? Did you like some or no? Any of these or no? No, okay. I like those. The hell? Cold pack. Do not ingest, so don't eat it.
It's an ice pack.
What the fuck would be an ice pack for?
It's colder than ice. What do? Shake it?
We're supposed to eat it? we supposed to eat that?
No.
Oh, okay. Then I don't care. This is a Melavie little thingy or something. I don't know why the hell we got an ice pack in here, but okay. Got a new ice pack, so it's... I don't know if I showed this, but yeah. It's the weirdest thing ever. We got... What the hell? It's a cookie. Cookie. Cookie wrapped in plastic. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wafer.
I'm okay on the chocolate right now.
It's weird. A hazelnut cake thing.
Oh, it's got nuts.
Maybe. No, it doesn't. Hmm. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I don't know why we got an ice pack in there, but okay. Marsa Petrova. Oh well. Let's try it. I don't know what the hell that is. Huh. It's like a softer Kit Kat.
Oh.
You want one? I better speak up on that one. I'm eating pretty soon. I'll tell you after this video, I'm going to be eating. Let's see here. Queso cheese flavor chip. Let's try it. Little onion rings. Hey, those are good. Would you like something not spicy at all?
No, I'm okay right now.
Got some kind of Saber gluten mix. Oh, damn, those are really good, those quesos. A little star. Oh, a little kick to that.
No.
A brick lateral. I think we've had these before.
We might have.
Wow, those things have a good kick to them. Yeah. It's like licorice. A sour licorice. A spicy mango thing.
Nope. I'm good on that.
Looks like a lung. Spicy my... Oh, never mind. Whoa! Ah. There you go. You can have the spicy shit.
No.
Ah. Some kind of cookie. Or a donut or something. Mmm. Pause.
Aw.
Right. Yum. Gummy turtles. These some bitches are gonna make me fat. I tell you what.
Yeah.
All this shit's gonna make me fat.
Yeah.
The gummy turtle. Yum. I don't know what the fuck these are.
See.
Sherry just messaged me.
Same thing.
Fred Stoggy passed away a few minutes ago.
Strawberry flavored something.
I don't know. We're about to find out what it is.
It's probably like some kind of taffy or something.
Oh yeah, it's like a Laffy Taffy. Yum. It's good. It's a Spanish Laffy Taffy. It says uno, dos, tres, cuatro. No. The hell? Paper sticks a lot. Paper. Got some kind of ball sack or something. It's a hard piece of candy.
Hopefully it's not spicy.
It's not hard.
Huh?
It's chewy, not spicy. Weird. We got this thing. Little fucker. I don't know what the hell this little fucker
Let's
was.
see.
We got a red one and a blue one. Or a red one and a green one.
That looks spicy.
I don't know. I guess we're going to see, huh?
You're gonna try it.
I am going to try it. Ugh. Ew. Get off. Oh, God, it's sticky. Jesus Christ. Ow. Not spicy. It's apple. It's apple. Apple.
Sure.
Green apple. A little sour. I need to pick their fucking apples better, I'll tell you that much.
Green apples are the sour ones, babe.
Whatever. Let's try the red one.
Oh.
Really sour. Told you. There's a sweet one. We got some gourmet red licorice. Licorice. Plastic. Paper.
Motherfucker.
What?
Ah.
What?
Here, so it's fair.
What? Ugh. Harder than a rock, but good.
No, I'm good on that. Ooh.
Would you like some hard as a rock licorice? Listen.
I've dealt with harder things.
My cock.
Oh.
Well, we got twins. Subscribe to see the birth. What?
No.
Shut up. I'm trying to get subscribers. No. I really don't know about that. A fin roller or something.
No one's gonna want to see two babies being born.
All of a sudden, 1 million subscribers. But guess we gotta show the video.
Oh God.
Like, what the fuck? Hmm.
You can rip me off, please.
It's like a fruit by the foot. That's pretty good. Three more things in the drink. Lyman cookies. Lyman cookies or something. Not lemon, it's lime. Or it's not lime, it's lemon. Fucker and cookie? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, lemon purple cookie. Okay. Lemon purple cookies are good. Yeah. I don't know what the hell we got here. We got 2 cookies in there. The hell? Yum. Did you like some? And last for the snacks, we could dip it in a chocolate or something. Want some? No?
I'm okay.
Here we go. I like that. That's good. Yum. And last but not least, some kind of drink here. Let's see. Tastes like that medicine I was supposed to drink as a kid, the orange stuff. No? Okay. I like it. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Well, big video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.